guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing look number 3 using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. So I have done 2 previous looks using this palette. I wanted to really just play with all the shades with you guys so you can really see is this palette for you. So if you want to see how I did this look, then let's dive into the video. Guys, so I already have the rest of my face on, and I'm going to jump right in with edges right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease, and I'm going to bring it up fairly high. I'm also going to bring a bit of edges right underneath. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Credit, which is that dark brown, warm brown kind of color. And I'm going to deepen up my outer corner and my crease. Now, now back in with my Tom Ford. I'm going to take a little bit of ginger here, and I'm going to blow out these lines here. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. Just going to put a dab of that onto the back of my hand. You just need like a tiny little bit. And I'm going to use it with my Juvia's Place flat brush here. And I just want to cut out this crease. Now for my lid, I think I want to go into Wigglies right here. This red shade is just, it has been calling my name. Look at that. I mean, it is beautiful. It's like a coppery, burnt red. It just looks absolutely stunning. So I'm going to go in first with the brush dry, and I'm going to use the same Juvia's Place brush that I primed with. I'm going to go in with it dry first just to kind of see how it performs on its own. That pigmentation is amazing. Like I said, my brush is dry. Usually I go in with shades like this wet or with my finger. But as you can see, this shade is working beautifully on its own with a brush. And I'm not really getting any fallout with this shade. Not like this shade Zam down here that I used the other day. I got a ton of fallout with it on my face. This one is not doing that. Now I'm going to go back into the brush that I did the dark brown Credit shade with. And I'm just going to take a bit of that and kind of go over where this red goes into this outer corner. Just to define that outer corner. Now back in with my Tom Ford and nothing else on it. I just want to kind of diffuse this a little bit more. For my inner corner, I'm going to go in with Dolos right here, this crazy gold one, and I'm going to use it wet. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Edges. And I'm also going to take a bit of Credit. And then Tom Ford and a bit of Ginger. Just going to blow out that bottom. All right, I'm going to quickly jump off camera and do my liner and lashes, and I'll be back. And eyes are done. So for my liner, I used the new, well, it's not new, it's new to me, the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. Oh my God, love this. This has replaced my Kat Von D ink liner. So in love with that. And for mascara, I'm wearing the Milk Makeup. This is the Kush mascara. And then on my lips, I'm wearing Charlotte Tilbury in Walk of Shame. I love the formula of this lipstick. It's so comfortable and just so beautiful. So let me get up a little bit closer here and see if you guys can't see. I hope my lighting is picking everything up. The colors are absolutely beautiful. I love that red coppery shade that we did all over the lid. I think it's absolutely stunning. So I've done 3 looks with you guys now using this palette. I've played with just about every single color in here. They all perform very well. This really glittery shade here, I did get quite a bit of fallout from it, but everything else, I mean, they blend beautifully together. And yes, I'm very happy I got this. These colors are going to be perfect for fall, which is coming up very soon. So yes, anyways, guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And you know, if you want to be notified, you got to hit the bell. Yeah, I've got a few fun videos coming up. I've got the foundation review for the Anastasia, which I'm wearing today, but I did a separate video for its own foundation. So if you want to see that, I will link that up here. I think I'll have that one up first. We'll see. Anyways, sometime when you're watching this, I'll leave it linked there. And yes, until next time, I don't want to ramble on any more. So until next time, stay beautiful.